Everyone wants a bright smile showcasing a string of gleaming white teeth. And to achieve those pearly whites, people try a number of methods. ShowFit lists out social media teeth whitening fads that you should avoid and also methods that actually work and can get you that $1,000,000 smile. There are some social media teeth whitening fads that are as old as social media itself. Recently, a magic eraser to whiten one's teeth became a rage on TikTok. In the viral trend, people were seen using magic erasers, usually used to remove tough stains from your tub, walls, and stove to whiten teeth. A magic eraser is actually made of melamine foam that is hard as glass and acts as a really abrasive sandpaper. So yes, if you rub your teeth with a magic eraser, they will be white, but that is because you scrubbed all the enamel off.
I don't think it's a good idea to put any cleaning chemical in your mouth. I think that there are chemicals that can be harmful.
Magic eraser is made of formaldehyde and sulfurous acid that are dangerous to the enamel of the tooth. Once the enamel is gone, your teeth becomes more susceptible to attacks from bacteria, which can lead to tooth decay and sensitivity. Rinsing with hydrogen peroxide is another stubborn trend that has been on the list of questionable teeth whitening fads forever. While hydrogen peroxide is used in many teeth whitening products, it is mixed in controlled amounts, which may not be the case when people use the chemical as a mouthwash. Too much hydrogen peroxide could cause irritation of your gums and even damage your teeth. Another teeth whitening trend is to brush teeth with activated charcoal for a brighter smile. People believe that charcoal can pull stains from your teeth, but there is no proof of this theory. In fact, using an abrasive material such as charcoal can harm your enamel and make your teeth look even more yellow. Once the enamel wears off, the dentin layer shows, which is naturally yellow in color. Just like charcoal, baking soda is abrasive and can wear off the enamel of your teeth. On top of that, lemon juice is highly acidic. This combination is as bad as using charcoal for whitening teeth. So, what is the right way to get pearly whites? The best way to get white teeth is to consult your dentist. Professional teeth whitening includes two procedures: bleaching and polishing your enamel. The bleaching agents break up the organic components that make up the stains. However, if bleaching is not done by a professional, it can break down some of the enamel too. Once bleaching is done, the dentist polishes the enamel to even it out and prevent bacteria from accumulating again and cause decolorization. If you do not have time to go to a dentist or the procedure is not pocket friendly, then you can opt for home whitening kits. There are a number of safe and regulator approved teeth whitening products such as whitening strips and toothpastes that can give you results in a short period of time. So, keep your teeth shining but also safe with an intact enamel, and tune into ShowFit for more on health, beauty, wellness and fitness.